Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off high contrast mode on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and then you want to select Settings. Select Personalization on the left side, and then you want to scroll down, select Colors, and then scroll down again where it says related settings, contrast themes. Go ahead and open that up. You can search for that in the search menu as well. And where it says contrast themes, go ahead and click inside the drop down and select none, and then select apply. And that's all you have to do. So you might have to change back your desktop wallpaper, but so again, that should have been a pretty straightforward process, guys. You might have to change your wallpaper back, but that should be about it. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.